Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a pretty cool car, 1965 Caprice. Car is loaded. Whoever ordered this from the factory checked every box. It's finished in mist blue, the blue interior. Love how there's no post. Very original interior, and this car is loaded. It's got power windows, tilt wheel, tissue box from the dealer, power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning that actually works, and a 396. This blue is nice too. It's almost like a marina blue. It's a very light color. Nice straight body. Drives like a dream too. Man, so cool. 58,221 original miles. Seatbelts all the way around. Look at the felts. So cool. Final roof. It's original. And most impressive, the 396 under the hood. So cool. Man, right down to the T3s. Very cool. These are original headlights from back in the day. Very original under the hood. It's code D, mist blue. 396. Power steering, power brakes, factory air. Looks like the original radiator too. Very nice chrome and stainless. Such a neat car. Fires up like a top too. Man, 58,221 miles. Feels like it's original. Even the AM radio works. That's awesome. Dealer installed tissue box. Pretty cool. Air works. Feel the compressor kick in. See it idle down like that. Pretty cool. Nice day-night mirror. Not delaminated. Beautiful headliner. Lights work. Just love this pillar style. Nice big lofty car. Bring everyone to the drive-in movie theater. Big and roomy. I love everyone in here. Super cool. I think this car came from the factory with a single exhaust, and that was added. Sounds really nice. Love the tri-head tail lights back here. Cool. a roomy, comfortable car. You know, the interior is only original once. Doors shut nice. Cool. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. You can also check out about 250 photos I took today on the website, weebyautos.com. Subscribe and hit me up. Thanks.